Today I bring you to a different dog park. This is actually our favorite dog park. Let me give you a peek-see real quick, and then we'll talk about some things. Over there's for the bigger dogs. We're here on the smaller dog side because there's a dog over there. But this is our favorite, one of our favorites. The problem with this place is you can never find it with nobody here. It is that popular. Well, we went to the other dog park, our actual favorite one, and there was a bunch of people there. So it was like, oh, let's give this one a shot. And we got lucky. Kitt needs a good running out. We've been on the road all day today. You pretty much probably seen them videos already. Yeah. Today is the last day of our vacation. I didn't do a lot of fishing on my vacation. Let me tell you why. Well, our youngest son went on vacation as well, and I want to dedicate as much of our time for him to go out for photo shoots. Now, I could have done some fishing while he was taking pictures, but I didn't want him getting bored, you know. Him taking pictures, me fishing. He's not into the fishing thing. He did say he's going to try it, but he never did. Well, he's fished before, but all right, guys. Pretty much that's what's going on at this moment. Right now, I'm going to run some footage from a place called Clifty Falls. I'm going to run that footage now. I don't know exactly how much I got, and the reason I didn't do a full video there was it was filled with peoples. Oh my God, let me tell you, it was just massively full with people. And for some reason, I don't like this park. It is one of the prettiest parks we have here in southeastern Indiana. And I don't like it. I don't care for it. Don't know why. I've hit every trail there, Angie and I have. As a matter of fact, one of the first trails we went on as a couple was there. Just some reason I can never warm up to this park. Don't know why. Don't know. So this particular day, I pretty much got a few shots, put my camera away, went around so my son can get other shots with his camera. And that was pretty much it. There was so many people there. And the people didn't seem to, let me pick this bowl up. The people didn't seem to be, how can I put this? Let me see if I can put this in a nice way. Some of the shots I was trying to get, when I went to put record on, they seem to have a case of the butts about it. I've had that before in my videos, and you know, but very rare, guys. Usually when you're videotaping, people want to know, hey, how you doing? What you videotaping? What YouTube channel you belong to? They're usually curious. They're nice about it. Every now and then you run across somebody like, don't turn that thing on around me. There was no kids. It was all adults, but like, don't get me in your videos. So I put the camera in the car and said, hell with it. Now, good old Mr. Kitt here. I had a comment. Here, load this ball up, baby. There you go. I gotta pull the hammer and set it. 1 second, guys. There we go. Look at this shot right here. Ready? Ready? Go get it. I think I bounced my camera. But anyway, somebody have actually said to me, well, why don't you just let Kitt play with other dogs he sees at the dog park? I want to. He has played with, what was them poodles called? He has played with some doodles, which were mean to him. It was just big and wanted to play rough. They wasn't mean dogs. And all the other people that he played, all the other dogs he played with on the other side of the fence, we'll talk to them. They're like, well, we don't feel comfortable with dog playing with your dog. For some reason, they think Kitt might bite. No. Can't blame them for that. But that day is coming. One day we will meet people that have a dog just like Kitt. And that day, he will finally play with another dog. Until then, I don't know. Now, you got another dog over on the other side of the fence right yonder there. Kitt either hasn't noticed the dog or don't want to talk to the dog. I don't know. He hasn't went over there at all. It's an old dog, it looks like, from here. Now, Angie was just telling me he did see the other dog, right?
Yeah, he was up by the fence.
Now, see, I had to get the camera ready, and I was getting a drink of water because I had to switch over. I did another video earlier. You guys done seen that. So he did. He didn't seem interested in it?
No, the other dog didn't seem interested.
Yeah, see, that's the other thing too, guys. When we come up here, some of these other dogs don't seem interested at all in Kitt. No. It's like, yep, another dog, who cares? Can't really blame them though.
You're not going yet.
Yeah, he wants to leave already. I don't know why. We're trying to run him out. Okay, Kitt, ready? Don't want to hit mommy. Go get it. There you go, Bubby. There you go. Bring it back. Come on, bring it back. He's like, heck with you, Dad. Oh, you gonna go over and say hi to the dog now? Ready? Go get it. This is how you run your dog out, y'all. Come on, bring it back. There you go. Bring it back. Bring it back. And there he goes. He knows the way out and he don't want to be here, which is strange. I was going to tell you all that he is actually starting to bring the balls back and chase after him more here, but he's not. It looks like we have somebody else coming in. Oh, okay, guys. I'm not going to stop the video here, but I'm going to play a little bit with Kitt. So we don't know if we got to go or what's going to happen. Maybe he gets to meet another dog. Okay, the other dog did come in here with Kitt. You'll never believe this. Kitt's scared of it. Dog's real small. And my Kitt is terrified of him. Oh, there he is. Where's Otto? There's Otto. See, there's the other dog right there. And Kitt is scared to death. Ready? Want to get the ball? Go get the ball. Oh.
You gotta get used to other dogs if you want to come to the dog park.
Yeah, he's terrified, guys. He is. I fear when that big dog tackled Kitt the few times that he did. Because honestly, we did, I don't know. Like I said, the dog was let into the side Kitt was on back a couple weeks ago before we had any chance to say anything. And the dog wasn't trying to hurt Kitt. Dog was just playing rough with Kitt because that's how the dog played with his brother. I'm afraid ever since then is what scared Kitt. Yeah. Alright guys, there you go. Now you know what my puppy's going to do if there's another dog. Well, hope you guys can see at a distance. Oh, I think Kitt might have poo-pooed. I think. Okay, Kitt, come. Ball. Yep, Kitt pooed. Alright guys. I'm going to try to see if he can make friends with this other dog or what. Like this is Otto, guys. This is a puppy that my dog does not want to play with. Maybe sometime. Maybe. Otto, you are one of the most gentlest dogs I've seen yet. Well, there you go. Something we've been waiting for a long time. A gentle dog for Kitt to meet. And you've seen how that turned out. It's okay, Bubby. It's just going to take a lot of work on our behalf, okay? Take a lot of work, and one day you will meet the dog, another dog, and you'll be totally cool for it. That's right, you'll be totally okay. I gotta put this in the back yonder. I gotta put my camera away, and I gotta go home. I gotta go to the bathroom bad. I've been waiting for this day for the longest time, Angie, and I have a dog just as gentle as Kitt, and it happens finally, and Kitt's scared. Don't know. Maybe a couple more tries. I don't know. I feel bad for Kitt. I really do. I don't think we're going to find a more gentle dog than this dog here. I don't think so. Alright guys, till next time. Thanks for watching. Come on, let's get out of here. Next videos you probably see from me will probably at the park, me walking Kitt. Till next time. Come on. I think I said that already. But let's get out of here again.